both of them and lays the ball in the basket.
Duncan. Robinson, instead of trying to put it up, looked to get it out. Bryant. Oh! It counts at the foul! Serving up a facial on Jaren Jackson.
The power and the explosion of Kobe Bryant just takes off and accelerates the tremendous finish, and listen to this crowd. He has electrified them here with this move.
5:11 remaining in the fourth quarter. Yet another look. Kobe Bryant with the explosion, and the Lakers lead by 7.
Well, Kobe Bryant, who has not played well today, has electrified this crowd. The slam dunk, and let's just...
Bryant. Oh! It counts at the foul!
Kobe's giving the people what they came to see, that's for sure.